Yo, what's going on? In today's video I'm going to show you real quick how to import a video into DaVinci Resolve. You're going to click on DaVinci Resolve after downloading it and installing it and going through the wizard. Then you're going to open it by clicking it 2 times. It's going to load up just like this. And then you're going to be looking at a screen just like this, except it won't have this. And then you're going to say new project if you want. Then you can title your project. And we're going to say my project. Number 5,000. Alright, and then it's going to open up just like this. And then this is the media pool. You could go here and search your entire computer. Okay? You could. But what you want to do is just right click it, import media, and then search for your media wherever it is. Let's see, got a little Hitman here. Alright, so I'm gonna pull down a clip. No, it won't do it. What? Alright, here's some clips. There we go. And you just hit open. Look at that. Look at that. And it's right there. Hey. Alright. And usually I would just pull open my stuff. Whatever it is. Let's go back to the Hitman, and then you can pull it in, and then it's there, and now it's in the timeline, ready to be looked at. Oh, Hitman! Remember this game? That was a good game anyway. Alright, that was just a quick tip, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye!